clear of the closing doors, please.
Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings in sight and stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an NTA employee. Thanks for riding with us. Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you that backpacks and other large containers are subject to random search by the police. Thanks for riding with us.
Within Franklin Avenue, transfer is available to the 3, 4, 5 train and the Franklin Avenue shuttle. This